top 5 kitchen storage solutions for organized cooking. First up is the Vtopmart Airtight food storage containers. Are loose bags driving you bananas? With 24 stackable BPA-free canisters, delight in the dream of a perfectly organized pantry. Picture freshness sealed in with a flip and the blissful convenience of reusable labels. At 4.7 stars, it's a pantry paradise. Next is the Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage set. Tired of spills and chaos? Watch how 24 ultra-clear airtight containers banish mess, creating an immaculate kitchen. Slide them seamlessly into your fridge or microwave. Rated 4.7 stars, it's the sleek transformation your meal preps have begged for. Then, dive into the OXO Good Grips Pop container set. Are your ingredients a jumble? Unleash harmony with 20 airtight pieces that stack neatly, and shine with 360-degree clarity. Feel the joy of order in your bustling kitchen. Every ingredient's at your fingertips, dishwasher safe, and a stunning stack. Another one is the glass meal prep containers with lids. Juggling too many plastic lids? Relish in Chiaik organization with 18 BPA-free glass pieces. Simplicity in snap lock technology and comfort as they glide from oven to freezer. Effortlessly appease your meal prepping desires. To wrap it up, the Stackable Can Rack Organizer. Is your pantry a puzzle? Craft a visually pleasing solution with space for 36 cans in snug rows. Glide along in antique silver elegance and let each can be just a graceful reach away. Say farewell to clutter with style and ease. All links are in the description. Tap like to save this list.